what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
But whatever. I suppose they're tied down pretty good. Maybe not. Who knows? Okay. Sun Outdoors. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Looks like they were getting some assistance. Aquabana. Wow. What's that? Live music. Yeah, the cabanas. I was telling a video here I was gonna have to get my drone out because there's nothing tall in the way. Fly around at about 50 feet and you'd be in good shape here. They got a nice pavilion too. Okay, and that was it. Huh. That was a nice little 5-minute video. That should garner some views. I'll go ahead and take them out to the corner so they can see where we're at. You know what? Remember how king tide this road floods? I know it. I wish I would have had my GoPro. That's okay though. And you can still go to Key Largo. Okay. So, you know you're here when you're by Mangrove Mamas and mile marker 20. And of course, you see the RV Resort Bungalow sign. Another nice thing about this is the bus stop's right there. So you can go either direction. The Lower Keys Shuttle. And in here, I still got my video running. I got to stop it. That's the Southernmost KOA, which we just toured. You can come up here and go fishing. This is probably the best fishing bridge. I said this is definitely the best fishing bridge. Although I see nice fish at all of them. A lot of sand there. Stop up here and get me a drink and shut my camera off and look at the KOA. Okay, there's the KOA. And that's a wrap.